Dave here. The other day I bought some doors. I got these two installed. Figured I'd do a trial run on this side. And the goal today is to get this side done and get it videoed and maybe help some people out there that don't want to pay the dealer $500 to $600 to have them installed. That's on top of the cost to buy them. When I opened the box, I saw all the nuts and bolts, and I called the dealer. I said, "Hey, what did it cost to have you install it?" He said, "Well, it bills out at 5 hours, so it'd be $500. So I said, "I'll take 10 hours and do it myself." It really doesn't take that long now. Anyways, let's get to it. got it done. I thought I recorded the last little bit of me fitting the doors on, but I didn't. But it wasn't too bad. Basically just get all the hinges on, hang the doors on there, leave the hinges all loose, get the doors centered up and down and left and right, and then just tighten everything up right there, and then adjust your striker pins. Doors are pretty nice. The OEM Can-Am brand, you know, whatever. They fit pretty good. The bottom, it's sealed, but it's not great. I might put a ratchet strap from one door to the other and try and just squeeze the bottoms in just a little bit. Plastic's all bright and shiny. It makes the rest of it look a little dull. But I bought these on partszilla.com and they were like $1,186. You go to Can-Am, they want $13.99 or $14.99. I think it was $14.99. My dealer was not willing to come down on price at all. Even that I bought my machine there less than a year ago, they wouldn't really cut me any deal. So got them on Partzilla, free shipping. They said if they go freight, they would charge shipping, but they never charged me anything. So they came on a freight truck. So anyways, for 1,100 bucks, not too shabby. I'm pretty pleased with it. I think it looks pretty good. Install probably took me 6 hours total. That didn't take me too long today after I got the other side figured out. But I think anybody could do this project just with some few basic hand tools. Not a big deal. It does come with nets that go from like right here down to there on each door. I haven't decided if I'm gonna put them on or not. I'll try it without for a while and see how I like it. I might put them on the back for the kids. Might help keep them in case shiz hits the fan or something. But if you have any questions or you need any help installing yours, just hit me up. And I'd be happy to help any way I can. If you like what you see, subscribe. We're always looking for new followers. We're trying to build our channel up. Get a bunch of different service things and DIY, that kind of stuff on there. Anyways, thanks.